Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful envelopes. I made these envelopes from present papers, so I'm just going to show you how to make it. Alright, first step is you have to make sure that the size of the paper is, the size of the present paper is cut up to an A4 size. Alright, so this is an A4 size paper. Alright, after that you have to prepare your stationery. So you need a scissors, okay? You need a glue, a stick glue like this will do, right? You need a scissors and you need a pen, alright? Just that, okay? And also just a rough paper, a paper below just to cover up the, so that you don't write up over here. So just use this sheet of paper to make sure that it doesn't write up at the cover. Okay, next what we do is we're gonna measure 6 centimeter from this end of the paper to here. Alright, around 6 centimeter and 6 centimeter, and over here 6 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Okay, so I'm just gonna measure right from here to here 6 centi, from here to here 6 centi, and I'm gonna draw a line here, and then I'm gonna draw another 6 centimeter from here, from the end to here, right, and here, and I'm just gonna draw a line here covering 6 centimeter. Alright, okay, let me show you how I'm doing this. Alright, for proper measurement I always like to make sure it's exactly the right measurement. So okay, I measure 6 centimeter here. As you can see here, I'm drawing a line from here to here. Okay, alright, you can see there's a line, and then another line here. I measure 6 centimeter. Okay, alright, just gonna draw lines, very simple. Okay, so now I have two lines here. Okay, I have a line here, from here to here is around 6 centimeter, and over here there's a line. Alright, you can see 6 centimeter. Alright, after that I'm gonna fold it like that. Okay, fold it on the line. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, simple. And the other side as well, 6 centimeter line. Fold it on the 6 centimeter line. Alright, now you got this like that. Right, next is we're gonna measure from the bottom 7.5 cm to the center. Alright, we're gonna measure 7.5 cm from the bottom to the center, 7.5 cm, and then we're gonna draw a line here. Right, around here we're gonna draw a line. So we're gonna draw a line here like this. Alright, make sure it's from the end to the center is 7.5 centimeter. Okay, so that's I'm gonna measure 7.5 cm. Okay, I'm gonna draw a line first. Right, okay, see there's a line. Alright, I'm gonna fold on that line, the 7.5 cm line. Okay, so it's like that right now. Okay, and then for the cover, we're gonna measure about 4 centimeter from the end. 4 centimeter from the end to the center. 4 cm and 4 cm, and I'm gonna draw a line here, right? So remember, this is like that. Just now it was like this, and then I turn it, and then I measure from here to here, 4 cm and 4 cm. Okay, just gonna draw a line here. Okay, there you go. You got this 4 centimeter line. Yep. I'm gonna fold on that line. Okay. So there you got it. Alright, we got a pretty much an envelope. Alright. Now we're gonna do some shaping. Okay, at the end of the corner of the envelopes, we're gonna do some triangle shape. Alright. Okay. First of all, what we're gonna do is we want to open up the entire paper. Alright. We're gonna cut up the corners. Okay. Do you notice that there's a corner here? There's a square corner here, over here, and over here, as well as here. Right. We're going to cut up that corner, the 4 corners of this paper. Alright, so I'm just gonna cut it now.